Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to histology, tissue and basic types of tissue. What is tissue and basic types of tissue? Before going to explanation, if you want to watch the same lecture in Urdu, Hindi, I already upload the same lecture in Urdu, Hindi on my YouTube channel. Go and watch that video. But if you want to watch in English language, then this lecture is for you. Now, in this lecture, we will study what is tissue and organ. Basically, we here study parts of organ. It is very important regarding to histology. Then we will study basic types of tissue. Now, first start from tissue. What is tissue? How we define tissue? Cells with similar structure and function is called tissue. Those cells which have similar structure and similar function, these cells are called tissue. Next is organ. What is organ? Different tissue combined to make an organ. Mean organ is a combination of different tissue. Now, parts of organ. Regarding to histology, these parts of organ is very necessary. Every organ have two parts. Number one, parenchyma. Number two, stroma. What is parenchyma? Every organ have specific cells which different from other organ. These cells of organ is called parenchyma. The cellular portion of organ is called parenchyma and the rest part is stroma. Parenchyma consists of cells of organ and stroma consists of supporting tissue. Like we take an example of liver. In liver, the cells hepatocyte is parenchyma and the rest liver is stroma. These are the example of parts of organ. Now come to the basic types of tissue. There are four basic or major types of tissue. Number one, epithelial tissue. Number two, connective tissue. Number three, muscle. And number four, nervous tissue. First, epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue basically cover or line our body surfaces and found in glands. Epithelial tissue cover or line surfaces and found in glands. Number two is connective tissue. Like its name show, they connect the different body parts. Connective tissue bind and support body parts. The third is muscle. Muscle is responsible for movement. For movement of our body structure, the muscle is responsible. Like for our arm movement, bicep and tricep is responsible. Hand movement, arm movement. Same. The fourth is nervous tissue. Nervous tissue responsible to detect changes and transmit information. When there is change occurring our environment, our nervous tissue detect these changes. Like temperature center is present in our brain. Detect changes and transmit information. And our nervous tissue transmit information like stimuli through sensory neuron, through motor neuron, through interneuron. This is the function of nervous tissue. Now today we studied tissue, organ, parts of organ, and basic type of tissue. If you like my lectures, press the like button and share these videos with your friends. And if you're new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button and also press the bell icon to open the all notification in order to you receive my each new video notification first. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.